Hi everybody, my name is Brianna and I am 24 years old. I come from a family of six. I have two sisters and one brother. I was born and raised in California. The first college that I attended was Mount San Antonio Community College, in which I completed my prereqs at, and then I transferred to the University of Laverne. While attending Laverne, I worked as a substitute teacher in a child development center, and I also worked as a tutor in a Pomona Unified School District. After 2 long years, I then received my bachelor's degree in educational studies with a minor in child development in May of 2017. After completing my bachelor's, I decided to move to Arizona, and I received my first job as a kindergarten teacher at Ethos Academy in July of 2017. Um, from here, I began teaching under a subcert because it is a charter school, and I then decided to start my master's degree at Arizona State University. Although I pushed back my start date, I will still be able to graduate in 2020 as planned. After reading through the principles of the NEYC, one principle that best speaks to my core value is the P1.7, which states, "We shall strive to build individual relationships with each child, make individualized adaptations in teaching strategies, learning environments, and curricula, and consult with families so that each child benefits from the program. If, after such efforts have been exhausted, the current placement does not meet a child's needs, or the child is seriously jeopardizing the ability of other children to benefit from the program, we shall collaborate with the child's family and appropriate specialists to determine the additional services needed and/or the placement options most likely to ensure that the child's success." This best speaks to my core values because I believe that we as educators must take into consideration the differences of all students in order to best provide fair and equal educational opportunities. I also believe that building a relationship with each and every child is likely to help children succeed more than in the classroom. Thank you guys. Have a good day.